first finger, A. Then we're going to take our third finger and play B on the 7th fret, 6th string. Then C on this 8th fret. And then D, the first finger on the 5th string, 5th fret. E, which is the 7th fret on the 5th string. F, which is the 8th fret. G, which is the 5th fret on the 4th string. A, which is the 7th fret on the 4th string. Then we're going to have a temporary shift to 4th position, first finger on the 4th fret. Then we're going to shift back to the 5th position, 5th fret, first finger. The third finger is going to play D, which is the 7th fret. E on the 2nd string, 5th fret, first finger. F on the 2nd finger, 6th fret. G on the 8th fret, 4th finger. And then last, A on the 1st finger, 1st string, 5th fret. Okay, so now let's do that descending. A again. 2nd string, 8th fret, G, 4th finger. And then the 6th fret, 2nd string, 2nd finger, F. The 1st finger on the 5th fret, E. The 3rd finger on the 7th fret, D, 3rd string. The 1st finger on the 5th fret, 3rd string, C. Temporary shift to B with the 1st finger on the 4th fret. Then we're going to have the 3rd finger come to the 4th string, 7th fret. And then the 1st finger on G, which is going to be the 5th fret, 4th string. Then F, which is the 5th fret, 5th string, 8th fret, 4th finger. And then E, which is the 3rd finger on the 7th fret, 5th string. And then D, which is the 1st finger on the 5th fret, 1st finger, 5th string. And then last, the 6th string, 4th finger on the 8th fret, C. 3rd finger on the 7th fret, B. And 1st finger on the 5th fret, A.